Welcome to the channel. My name is Nick and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 260k reputation points, and every day I share a lot of free education and analysis for all of you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all this free content, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about BTC USD because at the moment Bitcoin has extremely interesting price action, so it's definitely time to make an update and a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis because I haven't seen many here on YouTube, so I definitely wanted to break down everything here for you guys. Also, make sure that you check out the link in the description because we just started the Black Friday month promotion for the mentorship program. It's never been this easy to join because you have a massive discount, and you also can get a full refund directly in your trading account since we have partnered with the forex broker Blueberry Markets. So it's never been this easy to join, literally. The link is in the description. I suggest you go and check it out. So starting here on the monthly, there are two things that we need to speak about. Okay, the first one is the pattern that we're currently getting. The second one is obviously the technical side here on the monthly time frame. Let's start from the pattern. Okay, starting from here. Now, why am I starting from here? Okay, you have to look at this region of price action because this is when we got the halving event. Okay, around here we got the halving event, so the reward given to miners got cut in half, and after that obviously the bull run started. Now we get the impulse, mid-cycle correction, bullish July, bullish August, bearish September, bullish October, and at the moment we're getting very bullish November, and I expect November to be incredibly bullish. Now why is that? Because what we're getting here is exactly the pattern that we got in 2013. We've been speaking about this quite a few times. In 2013, look at what we got. We got the first impulse to the upside, so the start of the bull run, then mid-cycle correction, bullish July, bullish August, bearish September, bullish October, incredibly bullish November. Okay, then we had the usual bear market, crypto bear market. Then we had the next halving event and a new cycle started. And this is what I expect to happen once more. I expect an incredibly bullish November, okay, possibly north of 100k per Bitcoin. Then I expect the usual bear market and correction. Then we will have the next halving event in 2024, and then the next cycle should start. So here in the monthly, in the short term, I expect very bullish price action for all November and also December. Okay. Now, if we look at the technical side here, what do we have? We have a very strong impulse to the upside followed by a correction. Now, what do we know? That in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And what we can see here is that first the market retraced exactly to the 0.618 of the fib taken on this monthly impulse. Then we had the market retracing exactly to the 50% of the fib taken on this monthly impulse. Then the market tested at 0.382, and at the moment we just got a quite strong rejection to the upside. So basically we have been testing the Fibonacci levels one by one. And this is a very common pattern when you have an impulse, a correction, and there is a very strong bull market. The bulls will test the Fibonacci levels one by one, causing during these dips everybody to start freaking out and possibly selling to them. In fact, we have seen the biggest addresses. If we look at the on-chain data, you can check that out on Glassnode or something like that. There are many, but Glassnode, in my opinion, is the best. You can see how basically the biggest addresses have been continuously accumulating more Bitcoins, that people that were afraid, and anyway, small investors were holding, they got afraid, they started selling, they bought everything. And they are now with very, very big positions. And in fact, we're getting very strong bullish price action. So here in the monthly, just printed new all-time highs. We can expect more continuation. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. Dropping down the weekly time frame, what do we have? Also here in the weekly, what we're getting is a break, retest, and rejection of the previous all-time highs and structure resistance. This area was acting as resistance here, again resistance here, again here, again here. We got the break to the upside, retest, and now the market has started this rejection to the upside as we wanted to see. I spoke about the Bitcoin a lot of times, okay? I spoke about it when the market was inside of this horizontal accumulation. I explained all the reasons for which we expected this rejection to the upside. I spoke about it again here. I explained all the reasons for which we wanted to see this rejection. When the market was here, I made another breakdown explaining all the reasons for which we wanted to see this rejection. And by the way, I will link all these previous analysis in the description so you can go and check them out for more free education. And at the moment, we're getting very strong bullish price action. Now, if we drop down here on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here on the daily, we can see a very strong daily impulse to the upside that is breaking above the previous all-time high. Actually, we already got the break above the previous all-time highs since yesterday's daily candle broke above the area. Now, in a situation like this, what could easily happen is a very quick correction before then the continuation to the upside. That would be great. If the market here will provide a quick correction just to gain more liquidity before the next move to the upside, that would be a great area inside of which we could be looking for a potential longing opportunity with students. So if the market here will provide a correction, possibly to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse, inside of here, what we will be doing with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. So after a break on the retest inside of here, we will be monitoring price action from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, only at that point we will be adding BTCUSD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to potentially create a new all-time high. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.